Our game is called Dragon Last Flight. It is a 2D survival game where the player controls a dragon that has escaped and is being chased by the military. The dragon can only move up and down to avoid enemies. Military soldiers on the ground attack the dragon with knives, while soldiers in the air attack the dragons using swords. The goal of the game is to stay alive for as long as possible. If the dragon is hit by a knife or a sword, it dies immediately and the game ends.
Sa dragon movement po namin na code, yun po yung naga-up and down yung dragon. Yun po yung movement niya. So basic code lang po siya ng down button, up button, tapos yung W key at S key. Tapos sa enemy movement, yun po yung from right to left ng enemy po, yung military. Then sa enemy spawner po namin is nasa outside po siya nung mismong game. Then yung doon po magi-spawn yung mga prefab po namin na military na air and ground units. Sa game management po, doon po papasok yung score, yung restart button, and also yung game over panel po kapag natataya na. Si main menu po, yun po yung sa scene 1. Yun po yung sa scene 1 namin na start game and exit game. Tapos si player collision naman po, yun po yung pag na-hit po yung dragon ng kahit anong air or ground unit, nag-trigger po si game management ng game over panel.
For the assets of our game, the dragon is the main character controlled by the player. The player can move the dragon up and down to avoid enemy attacks and survive. The military enemies try to stop the dragon. One enemy attacks from the ground using knife, while other attacks from the air using sword. The game takes a place in dark nighttime environment, creating an exciting and challenging atmosphere for the player.
Maganda yung game, nakaka-challenge siya, tsaka nakatanggal ng stress.
Dragon's Last Flight. Up and down control. Na ako dito. So, overall, ayos naman yung game. Siguro nakulang lang sila sa designing ng UI. Tapos yung level of difficulty nila, yung mga soldier, like halimbawa mga soldier, mga sabihin na mabilis, nasa taas, tapos nasa maba yung mabagal. Yung iba, nasa gitna, ganun din. Ayun yung difficulty nila.
Start game. How can you control up down? Oh. Full screen na natin. Oh. Nakita ko yung score. Dami ah. Bilis naman nun. Oh. Oh, to what do I think about the game? Sa tingin ko okay naman and but medyo konting improvement about sa interface. Kasi pag full screen, na isog yung score and yung button. Pero all goods naman. Yung controls niya ay easy lang. Was it easy or hard to play? Fairly easy kasi W or S lang or up down or arrow down ang control, so fairly easy. What did you like the most? I think I like the dragon in design ng cover. What can be improved? Patulad ng sinabi ko, I guess, screen, medyo na ano yung score, tsaka itong button ng NV, just siyang mataas. So, natakpan yung start game, so siguro yun i-improve. And siguro lagyan ng game mechanics or something like that. Para alam na pag kulang sabak ng laro, tsaka hindi madadala. And also, maybe lagyan ng, I don't know, siguro background music para medyo intense yung laro. But overall, goods naman.
Nakakaya kaya ako dito.
Hindi. Diyan, matataya ka na. Anong masasabi mo?
Ang kanila, taas baba. Ito na yun guys. Maganda naman siya ma'am.
Mahirap lang.
Mahirap kaya ito, tinan mo. So, ito, kailangan.
Yeah. Paano ka nalusod dyan?
O, diba? Joke. Ang hirap.
Ang pangit daw, ma'am.
Wala ko sinabi mo, maganda kaya. Wala.
Ang masasabi ko sa game, maganda naman siya. Wala naman ako nakikitang mahirap na part. Pinakagusto ko sa part ng game ay I think ang pwede pang i-improve ay yung dapat iba't iba yung character, hindi lang mga military.
For overall conclusion of our game, Dragon Last Flight was successfully developed and tested. Movement, enemies, and survival mechanics worked properly, providing a fun and challenging dragonflight experience. Test shows players easily understand the gameplay and enjoy the survival challenge. Key accomplishments are met, but areas for improvement remain. Design and visual elements can be enhanced for more attraction. Adding new content and effects will improve the overall game experience.